Hello guys, welcome to Money Talk with Alex, where we demonstrate the most straightforward way of making money online. Today I have a website I want to show you where you can get Udemy courses for free. Before we get started, please smash the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and don't forget to leave a comment down below. Thank you. The name of the website will be in the description, and definitely it will pop up on your screen. And the name of the website we'll be checking today is called freeudemycourses.com. Welcome to freecourseudemy.com. This is how the interface look like. This is it. freecourseudemy.com. Oftentimes it happens that you may not have money to buy some courses on udemy.com. So this is an alternative for you. You can get to them because there is every kind of subject or topic you are looking for here on freecourseudemy.com. Okay, look at it. This is freecourseudemy.com. It said premium Udemy tutorial free download. Just come to this place. Let me intimate you with how it looks like. This is it. You can see from 1 to 45. So when you click next, it will take us to the second page. This is how it is. If you want to learn keyboard, piano lesson, you can have something like this here. So this is how the interface looks like. So come to this place. See, search your favorite course. So just click on it. So type in anything. Let's say I'm typing on marketing. Let me say marketing. Let's search. You can see, thank God. You can see. This is it. You can see. This is everything about marketing. This is everything about marketing. You can see. See it. You can see it. You can see it here. So after you reach that page, you can still click on next to get going. So if you want to see more, just come to this place. On these three dots, just click on it. I click on it. This is it. This is the home. These are the various topics here. All categories. Market, you can see marketing, IT, software development, design, business, academics, and all of that. So let me just click on IT software. Yes, you can see Java for complete beginners, develop and deploy Java Spring app. You can see it. You can see. So this is everything. Let me try another one. Let me try business. Okay, you can see this is all the topics you can find. You will definitely find on Udemy. Yeah. So this is it. So you can come. Let's try design. Let's see what's on design. All right, this is it. Easy introduction with application, become a CSS master, code projects, WordPress development, simulation for electronic, Adobe Creative Cloud 2021, graphic illustrator, and all of that. So you have a whole lot of courses to choose on freecourseudemy.com. Thank you very much. Please, if you find value in this video, leave a comment down below, turn on the notification bell, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. See you in the next video.